Hey guys, Wild Fox here again. Another video. I know it's been a little long since I made a video. Gonna make one here now. It's about 80 degrees out where I live, so I'm just out on my bike right now, just enjoying the day, the weather, whatever. Stop and stop on my brakes at work on my bike. Okay, then go. But yeah, like I said, I'm out to enjoy the weather today on my bike and so on and so forth. And